Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add to Watchlist on Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add to Watchlist on Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and open your Yidio application. The homepage of Yidio application will appear on the screen. From the homepage, select the show or movie that you'd like to add on your watch list and tap on it. On the next page, tap on Add to Watchlist option. This is how you can add to Watchlist on Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.